Mr. John Sillitoe of the Maladjustment Company possessed a debilitating headache to the very core of his brain. He sat in silence in his dark, dank office and nursed his hangover with equal dollops of remorse and self-pity. Johnny Black and Bass Ale and Tweedy-smelling Catherine could be blamed, he thought miserably. When he was in his self-imposed misery, all of the very old faces haunted him, pushing and shoving for recognition. Gorton, who got it at Schrausing, Holstein, Haldane, his legs blowing off at Rostock, Denise, dear Denise, who had been abused and defiled at 8 Rue de Turin after Trent's dastardly turnaround. Denise bothered him the most. She was the one who perched on his shoulder like a craven specter. Melancholy and depression always brought her out in full bloom. His awful ruminations were interrupted by Ursula, with the ritualistic tepid tea, devoid of any flavor or heat, and a single peak-frame biscuit. Ursula's intrusion, normally upsetting to Sillitoe, was a welcome intervention. The ghosts of Denise and the others fled from the grey room. By lunchtime, a modicum of civility had entered Sillitoe's being. He tremulously closed 2 files and totaled his gross fee charges for the year. By 1 o'clock, the fluttering of the small bird had left his chest, and the iron claw had released his brain. The telephone jangled wildly at his hand. He snatched it from the cradle like a puff adder after a fly.